And today I'm gonna play hide and go seek with my dog. This is super stupid. I do stupidity. Yeah, I'll do anything, but not steal. I'm not a stealer. So to start this off, if you subscribe to my channel and like this video, I'll give you this $100 bill wallet. Yes, $100 bill wallet. And no, it is not real money. It definitely looks like it. Legit. Now, let's get back to the video. So the thing I want to do is go over there to my dog. Go over there to my dog, and then try to stalk her as much as we can. Okay, that is the plan. I had to go to the other side because my neighbors live right over here, and they were doing so much noise that they're gonna fail me or something like that. But there's another cage over here, that one right there, and I hope she's not in the staircase. Okay, she was over there. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here to let her know I'm here. Okay, she is screaming. She went to the other side. I'm just waiting. It has been 30 minutes and she still knows I'm here, but we're still gonna check. And also, hit that like button if you want to see more stupidity. 1 hour has passed and this is not going well, guys. It is not. I'm thinking to leave my camera over here and try to record all the way. Let's see. Oh, there. That did not work, but finally when I saw the footage, she wasn't near. So we're gonna check one more time. And this time we gotta be quieter. She came up. Oh my god. This is not going nowhere. No way. No way. No. So I'm gonna leave. This is gonna be part 1. Hope you guys are tuned in to part 2. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this. And remember, hit this like button and subscribe to win this free $100 bill wallet. See you guys next time. Bye.